Good day all. This week DXY technical analysis. Yeah, this is for our time frame. See what this fulfilled actually. This fair value gap here. This is fulfilled last week because of news and all these things. So this week we are expecting maybe it will give some small correction, come down. It will go up. Yeah, this week be careful about DXY. Okay, maybe it will give small correction here, fall. Based on the setup, based on the initially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe it will give impulsively. Maybe it can go like this also, like this also it will go. Initially, first 1 or 2 days, you can look for the buy setup. Buy setup is better. Later, if you give event impulsively, it will go there. Otherwise, it will give correctively. So if I take the Fibonacci from here to here, yeah. Here. If you go correctively like this, then can look for they can close the buy setup and look for the sell setup. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USD technical analysis. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. If I take Fibonacci from here to here, there, exactly reach there, and wait. This week actually, if I go for 1 hour again, you'll see now. Yeah. This week expecting it will correct initially here, it will go up. Any correction you can buy here. So this will give expanding flat here. Otherwise regular flat. Okay, already expanding flat formed already. See, it broke this this top, went there, it came here. It will give correct, it will go up. Okay, any correction is buy is good for the Euro USD. Okay, right. Yeah, this week GBPUSD technical analysis. This is 4 hour time frame. Okay, for 1 hour, you can see here. Last week because of news, dollar is down last week, so it went there. This week expecting any correction here, any correction it will go up. Any correction look for buy setup. Maybe it will come up to here. Maybe broke this low and come down. Maybe here 71 or 788 something. Then it will go up. Okay, right. Thank you. Yeah, this week EURUSD technical analysis. This is 4 hour time frame. So yeah. See, this is a trend actually. This is a trend line. It came and it went up. If I take the Fibonacci from here to here, you can see now. Yeah, any correction to down, you can look for the buy setup. If you give small correction here like this, it will go up. It will reach this zone, max this zone, definitely. Okay, right. Thank you. Yeah, this week NZD/USD technical analysis. So I can extend this one, this line, trend line, yeah, this zone. Okay, if I take any Fibonacci from here to here, yeah, any correction, if I go for 1 hour, you can see clearly, yeah, okay. Any correction here, any correction, it will go up. It will reach up to here. It will go up to here. Max. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USD JPY technical analysis. See last week what we expected is fell down. Okay, this week maybe it will give any correction. Initially you can go buy setup, any buy setup. Otherwise, see how it is correcting like this. See, fall immediately, then it's correcting up to there. Maybe it will go up to here also. If we'll go a little bit, given so many, anything like this, it will go up. Otherwise, it will go like this. It will come like this. Initially, look for buy setup here. Once you reach this one, then if it will go correctively like this, then it will fall again. It will fall again. Initially, look for buy setup. If he is going correctively like this, slowly, then close the buy setup and look for the sell setup. Okay, thank you. If I take Fibonacci from here also, see, maybe look like this, just this look for idea. Okay, around this zone 50 or 618, 60618 or 71, yeah, like this. If you correct you like that, then close here, buy setup, and then look for sell setup. Okay, right. Yeah, this week USD CHF technical analysis. This is 4-hour time frame. So if it will give any correction here from here, any correction, it will come down. It will give expanding flat already. So it's there already. So it will give expanding flat. Then it will go one more up. Okay, this one. Initially small correction from here to upside, small correction, then it will fall. If we once form this expanding flat, it will go up. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USD CAD technical analysis. So I can remove this one. It went. Yeah, this zone also I can remove everything. Okay, clear all. Okay. If it will give any correction here, any correction it will fall here like that. So see, maybe it will form like this here also. It will form like this. Look for this one. Okay, right. Thank you. Yeah, this week gold technical analysis. This is 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. I can remove this Fibonacci. See, is broke this trend line, is correcting here. If we give any correction, little bit correction here, it will fall here. Maybe why? Because if I go 4 hour, see, it will take all this liquidity, then from there it will go up. Okay, it's not that far, but maybe around this area, 44200. Okay, like that. If it correcting here, it will come here, then it will go up. Yeah, if you want to sell initially, look for the sale setup after this correction, then you can sell. So once reach this one, this area, this zone, be careful, close the sale setup and maybe look for the buy setup. If you broke very strongly, then it will go up to here also. Okay, right. Thank you. Yeah, sorry. This week USOIL technical analysis. So this is 4 hour time frame. So yeah, what we analyzed actually is directly fall from here. It's not given any correction. Okay, I can remove this one, this zone. I remove this one. Remove this one. Yeah, still under this trend line. Okay. This week, if we give any correction here, any correction, it will move up. From there, you can look for wait for the setup. Actually, initially, small correction, it will move up. Okay, right. Thank you. Yeah, this week US 30 technical analysis. See what we expected. Actually, this week eventually came here, but still this week I can clear this one first. You can clear. Okay. So see, you can go for a little bit like this. See. It's correcting like this one. Is correcting. It's correcting. It's correcting. After the impulse is correcting now. Maybe it will give one more small correction here. Sorry. It will give small correction here. It will go up. Maybe it can reach one more top. Otherwise, but be careful about this war situation and all. If war is not stopped, then it will directly fall from here. Okay, if you give any correction, it will go up. See, it's correcting properly. Okay, right, thank you. Yeah, this week BTC technical analysis. See, yeah, what we analyzed actually is not went up to there, but is falling now. If I go to 4 hour, I can clear everything. I can clear everything. This one. Okay, I can clear everything here. So still my bias is down actually. Maybe it will give small correction here. It will go on up, come there. Maybe it will reach up to there. or up to there, then it will fall from there here. So my bias is still 55. I'm expecting 55k. So down. Otherwise, no, you don't know, but exactly, suddenly maybe it will move up directly. Okay, but initially, after reaching this zone, careful or close, maybe or partially you can close that buy setup. Then you can look for the you can move that stop loss to break even. Then look for the sale setup. Okay, right. Thank you.